So if you have ever tried to find if what type of ads a company is actually running, and more particularly if you're trying to do that for TikTok, you probably face this issue where there's no Webfy actor in the store that can actually check against the domain if a company is actually running ads or not. So today I'm going to show how we fix that with a very particular actor. So let's jump right into it. The problem we are facing is actually this one. None of the the TikTok scrapers in Appify actually works this way. So they require the user profile, which is you can get from a company, but it's not very precise. So I want to do that against a company domain, not a company hash like profile or like the nickname or something like that. Okay, so this is the main issue. None of those actually works against a company domain. So I had a friend actually build one specifically for this, and it does not only check TikTok, but also check all of the, not all, but the main providers. So Meta, Google, even Kawaii. So you can basically run this AppFi scraper against a list of domains, and then you have it if they are running that particular ad or not. This is not to get the exact ad information. I just want to know if a company is running that kind of ads or not. Okay, so this is it. Let me show you the exact workflow that we have in Clay for this. So this is the usual stuff. We have a list of domains, a list of companies that we put together for any type of campaign. And you can even find some very niche enrichments for TikTok on Clay, but none of those actually works. They are all to search for TikTok, like a TikTok account or TikTok keyword or something like that. None of those works. The only one that actually adds value is this one, ad channel, this one. So with this, you can search against a list of domains if what ad channel they're actually running ads. And this has a lot of options. So I actually run this in here. So you can see this company running 50 different ad channels. Of course, I think most of them are related to Google, and they're, of course, not duplicate, but different Google channels or different Google ad types. So you can see in here, so Google DV, so you can check that. Just run this. It's quite expensive, but it serves this purpose of knowing what type of ads companies running. But this is the Amplify actor that I mentioned. This is it. Let me show you the input. So this is the input. I just send them a list of domains, and it checks for all of those and type of ad channels. And man, that's pretty much it. The output looks like this. So you can see Metapixel, Kawaii ads, TikTok ads, ads. So it basically you can basically output those columns, and then you will know what against a list of companies which one you want to prioritize or not. The value in here is if you want to put together a campaign for companies that are running TikTok ads or Kawaii ads, honestly, this is the only way that we found to go about doing this. The other route is basically you put together a list of keywords, you run the ad library against those keywords and find which companies are actually using those keywords to sponsor, which is not reliable because you have some very small companies, which is usually not a use case for outbound. So this is the only way that we found that on how to do that. And yeah, I just wanted to share. Hope you guys like it.